guys, today another very quick recipe for you, very easy to do. You just need those ingredients. Let's go. So start with the cheese. You slice the cheese, not too thick, not too thin, just like this. And then I will take a circle and I will do layers. So cheese, cooked potatoes sliced, then ham, then again cheese, we need cheese, and potatoes, and then some pickles sliced, and another layer of ham, and that should be enough. You take your puff pastry and a big circle, and then you do 2 circles, and I did 2 little one. You will see later why. So you place the tower in the middle, and you will come with another layer of puff pastry to cover it and to close it. So you can use some water to stick it together like this. Yes. And then I will add some decoration with the extra puff pastry, and I will use some egg yolk and water to make it gold like this, and you can draw some line. So directly in the oven, 180 degrees for 15 to 20 minutes, depend on your oven, but it will come just perfect like this. Look at this, all the flavors are inside, and you serve it with a salad and you will enjoy it. So leave a comment when you try this one. Cheers.